Comfortable. Everybody adopted their lives for living comfortable. Everybody enjoys power in their life. Electricity is needed. It is the most important source in our life, right? Can you imagine a day, a second without power? No, you cannot even imagine a second without power. Do you know how is power generated? Yes, your guess is right. Today we are going to talk about generating of power. Hey guys, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel Dharmic Shady Tech World. In this video, we are going to discuss about how is power generated. Power is produced in many different ways like dynamos and generators. A key part of most electrical power plant is a generator, a device that turns rotatory motion into electricity. Electricity from stream, hydroelectric power from falling water, windmills energy from wind, solar power energy from sunshine. Yes, today we are going to talk about hydropower, the process by which electricity is extracted from water. Do you know who introduced hydropower? Yes, it's James Francis. Hydropower became an electricity source in the late 19th century. A few decades after British-American engineer James Francis developed the first modern water turbine. In 1882, the world's first hydroelectric power plant began operating in the United States along the Fox River in Appleton, Wisconsin. The first commercial hydroelectric power plant was built in Niagara Falls in 1879. In 1881, street lamps in the city of Niagara Falls were powered by hydropower from many kinds of watermills has been used as a renewable energy source for irrigation and the operation of various mechanical devices such as grist mills, sawmills, textile mills, trip hammers, dock cranes, domestic lifts and ore mills. Hydropower is one of the oldest power source on the planet, generating power. When flowing of water spins a wheel when most of the people think about hydropower, they imagine the Hoover Dam, a huge facility for storing the power of an entire river behind its walls. But hydropower facilities can be too tiny too, taking advantages of water flows in municipal water facility or irrigation ditches. Hydropower costs less than most energy sources. States that get the majority of their electricity from hydro. Till now, we saw what is hydropower. In hydropower, the most important machine is called a turbine. What is a turbine? Let's see. A machine for producing continuous power in which a wheel or rotor typically fitted with vanes is made to revolve by a fast-moving flow of water, steam, gas, air. A turbine from the Greek turb meaning vortex related to the Latin turbo meaning a vortex is a rotatory mechanical device that extracts energy from a fluid flow and converts it into a useful work. The work produced by a turbine can be used for generating electrical power when combined with a generator. In science, we know there are many different kinds of energy. In hydropower, there is one energy known as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because of its motion after work has been done. Energy has been transferred to the object and the object will be moving with a new constant speed. The energy transfer is known as kinetic energy and it depends on the mass and speed. Till now, we saw who introduced hydropower, what is a hydropower, and how is a hydropower generated, and one last point is, what is the energy in hydropower? Now let's see how much water is needed to power a house. With the average person using 100 gallons of water per day for direct use, the average household of 4 uses 400 gallons in indirect use. That the average household can directly use from 600 to 1800 gallons of water to meet their electricity needs. Now let's see how much power does a water turbine generate. A standard micro hydro system should have at least 50% of overall efficiency after all its losses. A small low-headed turbine could generate approximately about 1 kilowatt from a flow of 100 liters per second, dropping through 2. Now we know we have to save power. As you know that hydropower is not a small process, it's a huge process. Extracting the electricity from water is not an easy process. It's a really huge process, right? Save power for a bright future and for the next generation. This is it for this video. I see you guys next video. Thank you. Bye bye.